Good morning everyone. Myself Dinesh Mishra from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the previous year question paper which is based on class 10 science. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the previous year question paper which is based on class 10 science. So now let us start the first question of in this video, that is the question number 16 which is based on 2019. So let us start the question number 16. A 6 cm tall object is perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. The distance of the object from the mirror is 45 cm. Use mirror formula to determine the position, nature and size of the image formed. Also draw labeled ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. So here according to this question, the object height is also given here. The height of the object is height of object 6 centimeter, which is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror. So here is the height of the object 6 centimeter and focal length of this mirror is given here 30 centimeter. Focal length 30 centimeter. So the mirror is concave mirror and we know that the focal length of the concave mirror is, according to sine convention, the sine here is minus 30 centimeter. So the focal length of concave mirror will be negative sign. So focal length of the concave mirror minus 30 centimeter. And next, the distance of the object from the mirror. So here the object distance. The object distance also given here 45 centimeter, means the object placed where and the distance from the pole of the mirror. The object distance is 45 centimeter. So here according to sine convention, then mirror is concave mirror and also we know that the sine of the object distance is also always negative sign, concave and convex both mirror. So here the object distance is 45 centimeter, then sine will be negative. Next, use mirror formula. According to this question, apply the mirror formula, determine the position, nature and size. So here is the apply the mirror formula. So mirror formula is here 1 by focal length equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. The relationship between the focal length, object distance and image distance is here. That is the mirror formula. 1 by focal length equal to 1 by V means object distance, image distance plus 1 by U. U denotes the object, the distance of the object from the pole. So put the value of focal length and the object distance here, and then also calculate to the position of the image. So put the value of 1 by here, 1 by the value of focal length is minus 30 centimeter, then minus 30 equal to 1 by V plus, here is the 1 by U. U means object distance. So here the object distance is minus 45 centimeter. Then put the value of V minus 45, then 1 by minus 30 equal to 1 by v plus and minus is also negative, then 1 by 45. Here is the transpose the value of 1 by 45, then 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45. So here is the LCM of the 30 and 45. The first multiple of the 30 and 45 is 90. Then LCM of this number is, that is the 90. LCM 30 and 45 90. Then minus 3 plus 2. Then 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 90 centimeter. Then position of the image is v equal to minus 90 centimeter. So here the first answer of this question is the position of the image. So here is clear, the position of the image 90 centimeter. The negative sign, here is the negative sign. Negative sign indicate to the image is also formed where the object will be placed. So object and image is in the same direction. So here the image distance is the v equal to minus 90 centimeter. So object and image distance both are in the same side. So here also we have magnification. So the formula of the magnification is m equal to minus v by u, and height of image is or size of the image to the size of the object, h I by h o, then minus v by u equal to height of image to height of the object. So here the value of the image distance is the minus 90 centimeter. Object distance is also given here minus 45 centimeter, and the height of object is also given 6 centimeter. Then put the value of height of the object, image distance and object distance in this case, then minus v, and v is the position of the image, and position of the image is 90 centimeter. Then put the value here minus 90 by 90 by u. Object distance is also given minus 45 centimeter. Then minus 45 equal to height of image and height of the object, and height of image by height of object is also given in this question, that is the 6 centimeter here. Then put the value of 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So also calculate the height of the image here, h I equal to, that is the minus into minus plus, and here the minus, then 90 by 45, that is the minus 90 by 45, and cross multiplication of the 6 centimeter here, then 6 centimeter, 45 2, and that is the height of image, minus 2 into 6, that is the 12 centimeter. So you get the minus 12 centimeter. It is clear that the height of image is 12 centimeter and image distance is minus 90 centimeter. So in this case, we know that the negative side of size of the image is also indicate the image, nature of the image is inverted. So here is the height of image is negative, minus, and negative sign also indicate the size of image is below to the principal axis. So that is called the inverted image. And the nature of the image, the first is the image distance is minus 90 centimeter, and here the negative side also indicate to the position of the image is also same side of the object where the object is placed. So object and image also form in front of the mirror. So that is the nature of the image is real, and that is the negative sign also indicate to the inverted. So here is the image, nature of the image is real, and inverted. So here is the nature of this image, that is the real and inverted, and position of this image is the 90 centimeter, the same side of the object. And according to this question, also draw labeled ray diagram to show the image formation. So here is the image formation. According to this information, image formation. So here is the according to this information. So the ray diagram here constant. That is the mirror is the concave mirror. So here is the concave mirror. That is the concave mirror. And here is the principal axis. Principal axis. That is the pole. And here is focal length. Focal length. That is the 30 centimeter. Focal length. Focal length means the distance between the pole and focus is the 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. And that is the object distance here is given the 45 centimeter, minus 45. So object placed the focus and between the focus and center of curvature. So the object placed there is object placed focus and center of curvature. So here the focal length is also given the 30 centimeter. The focal length means the distance between the pole and focus, that is the 30 centimeter, and u minus 45 centimeter. Here the object distance, object placed where the point, that is the distance from the pole, that is 45 centimeter. So object placed between the center of curvature and focus. So here the object distance, that is the 45 centimeter. 45 centimeter. So object height of the object is also given the 6 centimeter. So here is the 6 centimeter. So according to the rules of constant, the ray diagram for the concave mirror, first ray of light, when the ray of light parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection the reflected ray passing through the focus. There the first ray of light, that is the height of the object is 6 centimeter, and first ray of light falls on the mirror parallel to the principal axis, and that is the after reflection the reflected ray passes through the focus, and take the second ray of light, that is the passing to the center of curvature, and that is the also reflected and with the same path. So the intersection point here is that is the image distance, and image distance is also given the 90 centimeter, that is 90 centimeter, and height of image is 12 centimeter. So here the image size of the image is 12, and negative sign also indicate the direction of the image below the principal axis. So here the 12 centimeter image size and object size is also given in the question is 6 centimeter, and object distance 45 centimeter here, and focal length is 30 centimeter. So this ray diagram is also depend in this information. So the next question of this question paper, that is an object 6 centimeter size is placed at 50 centimeter in front of a convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter. At what distance from the lens should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image of the object? Find the nature and size of the image. Also draw labeled ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. So here according to the question, the lens is the convex lens. So convex lens, here the object 6 centimeter is size is placed at 50 centimeter in front of a convex lens. Object 6 centimeter side. So here is according to this question, the object height, that is the 6 centimeter, and placed 50 centimeter in front of a convex lens. So here the object distance is given, that is the 50 centimeter in front of a convex lens. Focal length, that is the 30 centimeter. So focal length 30 centimeter. At what distance from the lens should a screen be placed in order to obtain sharp image? Find the nature, size of image. Also draw labeled diagram to show the image formation in this case. According to this question, then the first is find the image distance. So here they apply the convention, sign convention, that is the height of the object is 6 centimeter. So lens is the convex lens, and here the sign will be plus, object distance is also negative, that is the minus, and that is the lens is the convex lens, and focal length of the convex lens is plus. So we apply to here the lens formula, and lens formula is also to the relationship between the focal length, image distance, and the object distance. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So put the value of here, that is the 1 by f, that is the 1 by 30, and here is the position, v is the position of the image, means the image distance from the pole, that is denoted as the v, and minus 1 by u, that is the u means object distance is also given here, 1 by minus 50, then 1 by 40 equal to 1 by v minus plus, 1 by 50. So transpose the 1 by 50 here. That is the 1 by b equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 50. So here is the first multiple of 30 and 50. 150. That is the 150. Or here is 35 and 50 minus 3. That is the 1 by b equal to 2 by 150 means b equal to 75 centimeter. So here the image distance is the 75 centimeter. So next is the size of the image. So magnification, regarding to the magnification of this lens is equal to v by u equal to height of image to height of object. The value of v is image distance is also here 75. That is the u is object distance, and object distance is also given in this question. That is a minus 50 centimeter, minus 50, and height of image by height of object, that is the 6 centimeter, 6. Then height of image equal to 75 by minus 50 into 6. So that is the 75, 25 to 3. That is the 3. It means height of image, that is the minus 3 to 3, 9 centimeter. So here is the height of or size of the image is 9 centimeter, and negative sign that indicate to the direction of the image below the principal axis, means the image is inverted. And here is the v, that is the sign plus 70 centimeter, that is the image is same side of the object, means the formation of image is same side of the object, and the height of image, that is the minus 9 centimeter, and negative sign also indicate to the inverted. So it is clear that the nature of the image is real and inverted, and position of the image is 75 centimeter. So that is the right answer of this question.